years ago I developed serious problems in my right hip. It looked as if I would need a total hip replacement, but instead I came to the sports clinic. I got exercising in the hydro pool. I used to hobble up the front steps to Hampden, and after the pool, dance down them. This pool changed my life for 4 years. 5 months ago I had the total hip replacement. It's been tough after all, it's a major operation. I've had difficulties, particularly with the muscles in my right leg. But the physiotherapy here at Hampden sorted all that. Of course, the advantage of the sports clinic is that as well as the hydro pool, there's this rehabilitation gym. So I can use the bike, I can use the weights to do strengthening exercises for the hip. The sports clinic's the whole deal.